Welcome to Learn in Easy Steps. Dive into mastering Canva's effects and animation timing. Unleash your creativity effortlessly. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Let's learn together. Let's dive into Canva and begin our creative journey from scratch. While Canva offers an array of stunning templates to choose from, let's opt for a blank canvas to unleash our full creativity. Feel free to experiment with different backgrounds, add captivating headings, subheadings, or any other elements that you deem necessary to bring your vision to life. Whether you're starting with a clear idea in mind or simply exploring possibilities, this is your canvas to express yourself freely. Let's embark on this blank slate together and craft something truly extraordinary. Let's select the text and add some style effects to the layer. For starters, let's apply a shadow effect to the text layer. You'll have full control over the intensity of the effects using the sliders provided. Let's take it a step further and animate the layers as well. In addition to adding style effects, we'll also bring your design to life with captivating animations. Get ready to elevate your creation with dynamic movement and visual flair. Let's refine the timing and duration of the animation to perfectly match your design. To do this, select the layer and right-click. Then, from the menu options, choose Show Timing. This will give you the control to adjust the animation precisely to achieve the desired effect. Congratulations, you've now mastered the art of controlling effects, timing, and layer animations in Canva. Let your creativity soar and continue to craft stunning designs that leave a lasting impression. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to enhance your Canva skills. Happy designing!